Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well. I thought I'd vlog over the next couple of days because it's Orlando's birthday tomorrow. I cannot believe he is going to be 1 tomorrow. Like, that time has gone so quick. So it's just me and the boys today because it's currently half term, so I've got all 3 boys with me. We've got some friends coming over later, which Renzo will be really happy about because it's one of his friends from nursery. So yeah, we've got his little friend coming over from nursery, and then his brother is actually the same age as Orlando, so that he's almost 1 as well, so that'll be really lovely. Vinny is actually going to his friend's house at 11 o'clock for a couple of hours, so that'll be nice for him. He's really looking forward to it. I don't think I've shown you these flowers. These are what Mark got me for Valentine's Day. How pretty are they? And I don't know what these are. Can you tell me what these are? They're like little fairy buds, I'm not really sure, with some gorgeous roses. So I just put them in this vase, which is from Brissy. I don't believe they actually are open any longer. I love the vase. I always use it for bouquets like this. So yeah, those are my flowers that I got for Valentine's Day. 19 days. 19! Wow, that's before the last. My birthday's in 19 days. Birthday, my birthday's in 19 days. Birthday. I just had a delivery from Amazon. I actually bought one of these. It's a label maker. I've been wanting one of these for so long. So yeah, I'm really excited for this because I need to get some organising done in the kitchen and in loads of other places. And I thought labels would definitely help with being organised. So let me know if you've got one like this. This is by Brother and it's the P-Touch H110. So yeah, I got this one on Amazon and hopefully it works all right and it's not too complicated because I'm not very good with techie kind of stuff. This one's got 3 different fonts on it. Yeah, I hope it's got everything I need in there, as in like the labels, and I'm guessing, do you need ink for this kind of thing? I'm guessing so. I'll let you know how I get on with that. Okay, so for the most part my house looks pretty tidy, but it's when you go into the drawers and the cupboards where it looks a complete mess. So it's going to be my challenge over the next few months to kind of go through everything in the house, to declutter and make everything organised and give everything a home. So today I'm going to tackle this. We'll make a start on some kitchen organisation. The cutlery drawer is something we use obviously every day, and this is so annoying to open every day because it's just like it gets caught when you open it and nothing has a home. So let's start organising. Right, so I'm going to start by just taking everything out of here. I've got things like labels in here. What else have I got? Like no more nails. First things first is just to get everything out. We move on as before. I could wait for 1,000 years, but it won't do us any good. Will you bet if you get the chance? I know I surely would. When you're away, there's a hole in Okay, so everything is now all cleared. This insert was actually from Wix, which is where we got our kitchen from. It will fit most drawers because it is adjustable, and obviously it fits this drawer. This is our widest drawer in the island. 'Cause you're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the sparks takes me higher, sweetheart. So I found a few random things like some keys, also I found some glue and a shoehorn, which we actually got in a cracker at Christmas time, and a couple of pens and a little screwdriver as well. So I'm going to pop those into Mark's cupboard because he recently sorted that out. Whilst I was sorting out those drawers, I found a few other bits. So I'm going to put these in Vinny's craft drawers upstairs. So we've got some paintbrushes there. I also found some beauty bit. I found this mascara by Benefit. I actually love this mascara. I also found a brown roller liner from Benefit, a lip balm, a bracelet. This is a sweetie bracelet. I think my mum gave this to me actually. Little hairbrush, lip liner, some nail varnishes there. Love these colours. Lip balm, also a little hair clip that I bought from my friend Kate, and Tupperware lids. Oh my god, who else is constantly losing Tupperware lids? How did I find that in the cutlery drawer though? Really, I need to sort out the Tupperware. Honestly, it's just crazy. So yeah, at least I found those. The top drawer is now complete and it looks much neater. What do you think? Everything is in its similar place as it was before, but it's much more decluttered. So we've got spoons, forks, knives. We've got the kids' cutlery here. We also have some like sharper items more at the back so the boys can't get into it because Renzo likes to open this drawer quite often. We also have the nail clippers, some sellotape, some candles, birthday candles, and some coasters here. And then down here I kept the kind of command strips. We've got some straws here, some kids' scissors and some little hooks. And then over here we've just got, you know, wooden spoons, things like that. And also this is my like lighter for candles. Maybe I should get my little label maker and kind of put some labels up here soon as well. So once I work out how to do that, I will get labeling. Maybe I could put it down here actually because I think it's going to be a bit thicker than this strip here. Oh my god guys, this is just... it's too much. The thing is with these drawers, it doesn't really take that long to do. It's just doing it. So I will get round to it, but there we go. Please tell me I'm not the only person with crazy hidden drawers like this. And yeah, all of that in there as well. Let me know if you want to see the kitchen organised and I will get filming for you. So I've just set this up and it's so easy to use. I didn't realise I was printing two off there, but let me show you what it looks like. So I'm just going to cut it off. And now I've got two labels for cutlery. Yay for being organised. How exciting. Cut that one off there. Cute. Now we know where the cutlery goes, guys. I'll watch everything in the house be labelled now after this. It's going to be very exciting for me. These labels will fit here. They'll just like fold over slightly, I think. But the writing, I can make the writing smaller if I want to. There's like 3 different settings, I think. But I could still put that one there if I want to. Yeah, so that fits there as well. I've just folded the sides over. So that is the kids' cutlery as well. Excellent. I'm not quite sure what to label these, so I don't think I'm going to label them right now. I'm glad it works. I know how to use it now so I can label everything else in the house. So the boys are just having their lunch now, aren't you? Vinny has gone to his friend's house and we're waiting for your friend, aren't we, Ren? Are you eating your sandwich? Are you eating your sandwich? Is it nice? Is it nice? Yeah. Is he here? Yeah. Quick, go open the door. Open the door for him. Vinny's back from his friend's house now. Did you have a good time, Vin? Yeah. Yeah, what did you get up to?
Playing Minecraft.
Renzo, they look like glasses.
Huh?
You got glasses there? They look, or are they big eyebrows?
Moustache.
A moustache! Wow. Orlando's just woken up from his nap. And we're waiting for Daddy to get home, aren't we?
Yeah.
He's not going to be long now, is he?
No.
Hey, they could be antennas, Vin. Yeah. Like a bug.
What am I?
Whoa, you've got bug antennas as well.
But it goes all the way
Oh, it goes all the way down.
It's Landy's birthday today. Happy birthday, Landy! He's just waiting for his breakfast. Go get you fed first, mate, aren't we?
Dad,
Yeah.
what did that say?
It's Lando, isn't it? It's his name. Excited, Vin?
Dad, all I want is, where is still Landy's cake?
Cake over there. We're having that later because we've got people coming round, don't we, for a party?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. you got? Wow, look at that. Mandy, look. What's in there? Are you in the kitchen, Orlando? Can I have a cup of tea? Ben? What are you doing? Wow! Look at that, Orlando. What's that? Really, I see you. Hey! I don't think I've been on here today, so I wanted to pop on and say hello. We are, well, we've come out for Orlando's birthday for the day, haven't we? We've got some family and that coming around later for a little party, which is going to be really, really fun. Look at all those lights, Orlando. You like it? Bang, bang, bang. What a sweetie. So we've just come to Soft Play, local to us. This is where we actually came for Renzo's first birthday. Orlando's loving it. This is like a new sensory room they've done in here. So cute. Good.
Well, there's floor.
That's cool, isn't it? Look at that floor, Rex.
Dear Lando, happy birthday to you.
Don't touch it.
2, 3.
Oh,
He's going to think where it's gone out.
nice.
Oh no!
Second in the size department.
Nice.
Cake, but
Hi guys, so it's the next day now. Orlando had a lovely birthday, didn't you? Didn't you, Poppet? Did you have a good day? He's trying to get my laptop because he can see it. No, 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 no. Not my laptop. I've just been editing the video and I realised I didn't end the vlog. Did I? Should we go over here and play? Come here. So yeah, I realised that I hadn't ended the vlog. So I wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Say thank you. Wow, thank you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. If you're new around here, then welcome. Hopefully you can stick around for more videos and we'll see you all in the next video. Say bye. Say bye, everyone. Oh, you're not going to say goodbye. You're going to say goodbye? Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye. Bye.